Hey there! Are you craving a comforting pasta dish that's both cheesy and packed with nutrients? Today I'm going to show you how to make the most incredible spinach lasagna you've ever tasted. Trust me, even the kids will be asking for seconds. You'll find all the ingredients in the description below. Let's get cooking! Alright, let's get this amazing spinach lasagna started. Grab your favorite pan and melt that butter with olive oil over medium heat. Once it's nice and warm, toss in your minced shallot and garlic. We want these to get soft and fragrant, but not brown. You'll know they're perfect when your kitchen starts smelling absolutely incredible.
And if you want to improve your recipes, I'll share a little secret with you. The non-stick pan I use is great for all kinds of dishes. It's the one that helps me achieve those delicious results. If you're interested, you'll find the link in the description. You'll be surprised by the difference.
Time for our star ingredient. Drop in all that fresh spinach. I know it looks like a ton, but trust me, it'll cook down beautifully. Keep stirring until it's completely wilted down, which should take about 5 minutes. Once it's done, let it cool a bit, then squeeze out as much water as you can. This is super important for keeping our lasagna from getting watery. Now for the creamy part. In a large bowl, we're going to mix up our ricotta. Make sure it's fresh for the best flavor. Crack in those eggs, add the freshly grated Parmigiano, the good stuff, and that wonderful fresh nutmeg. Mix it all together until it's smooth and creamy. This is going to be the heart of our lasagna. Let's make our white sauce. This is where the magic happens. Melt your butter in a saucepan, then whisk in that flour until it's smooth. Now, gradually pour in your milk, whisking constantly. Keep going until it starts to thicken up. You're looking for a nice, velvety consistency that coats the back of a spoon. Here comes the fun part. Once your sauce is thick, start adding your mozzarella and Comté. Keep stirring until everything's melted into this gorgeous, smooth cheese sauce. When you lift your spoon, it should fall in thick, luxurious ribbons. While all our components are ready, let's cook those lasagna noodles. Follow the package instructions, but make sure to keep them just slightly firmer than al dente. They'll continue cooking in the oven. Don't forget to add a little salt to your cooking water. Time to start layering. Grease your baking dish and start with a layer of marinara. This prevents the noodles from sticking. Then add your noodles, spread some of that beautiful ricotta mixture, layer on the spinach, pour some of that heavenly white sauce, and sprinkle with mozzarella. Keep repeating those layers. It's like building a delicious tower. Make sure to save enough mozzarella for a generous top layer. This is going to give us that gorgeous golden crust we're looking for. Cover your masterpiece with foil and pop it into a 350 degrees Fahrenheit oven. Set your timer for 35 to 40 minutes. This gives all those flavors time to meld together perfectly. When time's up, take off that foil and let it bake until the cheese on top turns into this beautiful golden brown color and starts bubbling around the edges. You'll know it's ready when your kitchen smells absolutely incredible. Last but not least, let it rest for 5 to 10 minutes. I know it's tempting to dig right in, but this rest time is crucial. It helps everything set up perfectly. While you're waiting, chop up some fresh cilantro or parsley for garnish. When you cut into it, you'll see all those beautiful, distinct layers we created.